Hello there, happy Sunday. Thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert Meteorologist Denise Isaac. Clouds continue to increase across Metro Detroit, and eventually we'll start to see the coverage and showers also expand. Right now, spotty showers up north, and that will continue to slide down southward thanks to that cold front. So by 8 a.m. we could be seeing spotty showers anywhere from Lansing all the way towards Port Huron. Then by the afternoon time, scattered showers over Metro Detroit, so make sure you do have your umbrella with you. And some of these storms could have some strong thunderstorms embedded within them, so keep that in mind. We do have a marginal risk for strong to severe storms. Most of it will be well to our south, closer to the Ohio borderline, but it's important to mention that Lenawee and Monroe are the counties most at risk for any severe weather if it does develop. Overall, by 9 p.m. we're looking at the rain ending. Then we'll go from mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies. So here are the risks for today. We can expect wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. This is more what everyone can expect. Brief heavy downpours and frequent lightning. Where we do get a cell that may become severe, we could be seeing wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour and hail, not out of the question. Today, 80 degrees, shower, humid, an isolated thunderstorm. It will be breezy as well. How about our highs, ranging anywhere between 75 in Howell to 80 in Detroit and Canton. The cooler, at least the further north we go, the cooler it will be. Tonight, showers end early, 61, partly cloudy, and here's our 7-day forecast. We dry out Monday, Tuesday, but we also warm up, 88 on Wednesday, and with that warm up comes a chance for thunderstorms Wednesday, Thursday, and by Friday, once again, we're looking at dry weather.